I spent all day teaching people how to have better conversations in Spanish. Last week, I accidentally had to put my own advice to the test in French. Every time I visit a French-speaking country, I remember how rusty my French is. I always start thinking, I'm gonna practice once I get home. But this trip gave me a much bigger reminder than that. I was in Belgium with some friends waiting for a train in this little town called Bouillon, when I started hearing a couple screaming from the inside of one of the buildings nearby. At first I thought it was just an argument, but it kept getting louder and louder. While I was standing there trying to figure out where the voices were coming from, an older woman walked over to me and started talking to me in French. And my first reaction was exactly what happens to so many Spanish learners. I froze. I started pointing at the building, making gestures with my hands, trying to explain myself without actually saying much. But because we were looking at the same situation, she stayed engaged. She kept asking me questions, trying to understand what had happened. And somewhere in the middle of that conversation, I remember something that I tell my own students all the time. A conversation isn't about perfect sentences. It's about helping the other person understand what you mean. So instead of worrying about whether my French was correct, I started focusing on keeping the conversation alive. Every time I got stuck, I repeat part of what she had just said while I thought of my next answer. If I didn't know a word, I'd simply ask, "How do you say?" And if I couldn't build a perfect sentence, I just explained the same idea in a different way. At one point, she asked me when I had first heard the couple arguing, and what came out of my mouth was something like, "I first hear 5 minutes ago." I know, the grammar was terrible, the tense was off, but you know what? She understood me immediately. Because she wasn't listening for perfect French, she was listening for the message. Before I realized, we'd been talking for about 40 minutes. At some point, she handed me the phone and together we called the police. When I walked back to my friends, they were laughing. They said, "You love gossip so much, you literally invented French just to be part of it." And honestly, maybe they're right. But on the train home, I kept thinking about that conversation because I realized I hadn't been speaking good French. I was just having a good conversation. And I think that's a distinction most Spanish learners never get taught. We spend years trying to become better Spanish speakers, but almost no one teaches us how to become better conversation partners. The reason that conversation worked wasn't because I suddenly remember all my French grammar. It worked because I reacted to what she was saying. I asked for help when I needed, and I went in circles when I couldn't find the word. It was like I let her help me build a conversation instead of thinking that I had to carry it by myself. That's why I always say conversation is its own skill, because once you know how to keep someone connected to you, you realize something really important. You don't need perfect Spanish to have a meaningful conversation. Sometimes you just need to trust that the other person is trying to understand you as much as you try to understand them.